So another Olympic Games cannot come and go like that without the Mavericks pick for the best Jamaican moment in Paris, and of course, my worst Jamaican moment in Paris. And of course, it's a foregone conclusion. The gold medal and Olympic record throw by Roger Stoner to win the nation's only gold medal in Paris must be the best moment for every single Jamaican, including the Maverick. Now, for bad moments, and there were many, as Jamaica endured many disappointments in Paris. From Sharika not taking the track, Nikisha Price bombing in the semifinals, Akira Nugent's misfortune, Hansel Parchment not factoring, even Kishen not winning the gold medal, not to mention the relays and the bad changes and the mishaps. But for me, the Mavericks' worst moment was when the news came that Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce was withdrawing from the Olympics, confirming that those images of her begging to get onto the warm-up area would be the last images of the GOAT on the Olympic stage. That is the worst moment for me. You agree?